You'll notice all the handlers are wearing ear protection, so it is going to be kind of noisy right here. So if you have a small show, to make sure you cover their ears, or if you got Jim Killen with you, make sure you cover his ears.
Good point, Dan. These jets will be very loud as they come in for young.
Yep. That is just so sweet. Listen to that sound.
It doesn't even hurt my ears.
That sounds like poetry.
It's
A
big.
beautiful and rare sight, so that we may never forget and always remember. Ladies and gentlemen, we have a lot of veterans in attendance with us today of the Korea conflict and a few from the World War II era. Could we have a round of applause for them, please, as they watch? Some of these veterans served on this very airplane. And as our World War II veterans leave us, all they want is for us to never forget and that we always remember. And I think we can say pretty confidently that we do commit to that, and we...
Who will remember the glory and pain of comrades that never returned home again? Who will remember their families and friends whose hearts are filled with sorrow and despair, and loved ones lost over there? Who will remember the reasons after we're gone